9 out of 10 drivers will get in their cars today, turn the key, and completely ignore the secret features sitting right in front of them. I am not talking about useless gadgets. I am talking about hidden engineering decisions built into the plastic and metal less than an arm's reach from your steering wheel. Things the dealership never showed you, and the manual buried in fine print. After 20 years working as a mechanic, I see the exact same mistakes from guys who have been on the road for 40 years. These are not bad drivers. They are careful, experienced guys who take pride in their vehicles. They simply inherited bad advice. Ignoring these hidden details is not just a minor inconvenience. A few of these everyday habits can quietly build up to a $3,000 to $5,000 repair bill before you even hear a single weird noise from the engine. Welcome to Core Car. Today, we are breaking down 10 hidden automotive secrets you never knew existed. You need to stay until the very end because the final secret is a ridiculously simple habit that will save you from replacing perfectly good engine sensors and avoid a $200 diagnostic fee from the dealership. Number 10. The hidden fuel gauge arrow. Let us start with a scenario every experienced driver knows. You rent a car for a weekend trip, pull up to the gas station, and immediately realize the fuel door is on the opposite side. You get back in and do that embarrassing loop around the pumps. Engineers knew this was a constant frustration, so they built a permanent answer right into your dashboard. Look closely at your fuel gauge. Right next to the little gas pump icon, you will see a tiny triangle or arrow. That is not a random design choice. That arrow points directly to the side of the car where your fuel door is located. If it points left, the door is on the driver's side. If right, it is on the passenger side. It has been standard since the 1980s, yet millions completely ignore it. This one detail saves you time and awkward maneuvering. That one is simple. But the next secret has been hiding right above your head. Number 9. The overhead grab handle secret. You have probably grabbed that plastic handle above your window 1,000 times. But look closely at the space right above the driver's seat. In most modern vehicles, that driver's side handle is either bolted completely solid or missing entirely. This is not the manufacturer trying to save a few dollars. It is a calculated safety decision. Automotive engineers specifically eliminate the driver's grab handle to prevent a dangerous subconscious reflex. If you reach up to brace yourself during a sudden swerve, it physically pulls your body out of the engineered safety zone of the seatbelt and airbag. Passengers get the spring-loaded handles to help them get in and out. The driver gets nothing, keeping your hands firmly on the wheel during an emergency. And that tiny folded square on the rear handles, that is a weight-rated coat hook designed to keep your jacket crisp. That is clever engineering. But our next secret involves a button on your dashboard that does double duty. Number 8. The heated mirror override. Winter rolls around. Your side mirrors are covered in a thick layer of frost, and you spend 10 freezing minutes scraping them with a plastic card. You probably assume only luxury vehicles have built-in mirror heaters. Here is the secret the dealership completely forgot to mention. Look at the button for your rear window defroster. Your front windshield clears using warm air from the vents, but the rear glass uses a grid of electrical filaments baked right into the glass to melt ice. On the vast majority of vehicles built in the last 15 years, that exact same electrical circuit is wired directly into your side exterior mirrors. The next time you wake up to frozen glass, do not scrape them and risk expensive scratches. Just hit that single rear defrost button and watch the ice melt away in seconds. That saves you time in the cold. But our next hidden button is something you use every winter, and you are probably using it completely backwards. I had a customer in the shop last winter, retired firefighter. He brought his truck in frustrated because his windshield kept fogging up. He thought his heater core was completely blown. When I sat in his cab, I noticed one single button glowing on his dashboard. I clicked it off, the glass cleared in 20 seconds, and I saved him a massive diagnostic fee. Here is exactly what I showed him. Number 7. The recirculation trap. It is pouring rain. You get in the car, shut the door, and within seconds, your windshield is completely fogged up. You crank the heat and wait, staring at the glass for 5 minutes before it is safe to drive. Most drivers hit the recirculation button thinking it helps the system work faster. That button shows a small car outline with a curved arrow inside. When that light is on, the system stops pulling in fresh outside air. It simply recycles the air already inside the cabin. But human breath is full of moisture. When you recycle that damp air, you are literally pumping humidity right back onto the cold windshield, trapping the fog. To clear the glass, instantly turn the recirculation completely off, so the system pulls in dry outside air. Then turn on your air conditioning. It acts as a dehumidifier, pulling moisture out of the cabin. The fog will vanish in seconds. That button controls your visibility, but our next hidden feature controls the actual air you breathe. Before we dig into the mechanical secrets of this breakdown is helping you understand your vehicle better, a quick like helps CoreCar reach more drivers who need this information. Let's keep moving. Number 6. The $90 glove box secret. You take your car in for a routine oil change. The service advisor comes out holding a filthy filter. He tells you the cabin air filter is clogged and offers to replace it for $90. You agree, wanting clean air. Here is what he did not tell you. That filter is hiding directly behind your passenger side glove box, designed to be replaced with 0 tools. On almost every vehicle, you simply open the glove box, squeeze the 2 plastic tabs on the side, and the entire box drops down. Behind it sits a small plastic tray. You can buy the exact same replacement filter at any auto parts store for $15 to $20. Pull the old one out, slide the new one in, and snap the box back up. Do not pay $90 for 5 minutes of labor. That saves you cash. And speaking of keeping your money away from the dealership, wait until you see the fake engine code trick at the number 1 spot. But first, let's secure your floorboard. Number 5. The floor mat trap. You just picked your truck up from the local car wash. They vacuumed the carpets and quickly threw the driver's mat back in. You merge onto the highway, step on the gas, and suddenly the pedal refuses to lift back up. Look down at your floorboard. Those 2 small plastic hooks sticking out of the carpet are not interior decorations. They are critical safety anchors. When a heavy rubber mat is left unclipped, the vibration of your heel slowly pushes it forward. Eventually, the thick edge of the mat slides directly over the accelerator. When you press down, the pedal gets physically wedged underneath the rigid rubber, locking your engine at wide-open throttle. Always take 2 seconds to snap that mat securely onto the factory posts. Never stack a cheap universal mat over the original. Using those clips costs nothing, but prevents a terrifying high-speed accident. That secures the floor. But our next secret involves a printed number almost everyone misreads. Number 4. The maximum tire pressure mistake. You pull up to the air pump because your dashboard sensor is flashing. You crouch down, squint at the side of your tire, find a number that says maximum 51 psi, and start filling. Millions of drivers do this. Here is why that is a massive mistake. That number, molded into the sidewall, is not a recommendation. It is the physical absolute limit of the rubber. When you inflate a tire to its maximum, it balloons out. The rubber becomes completely rigid, and only the very center of the tread actually touches the asphalt. Every pothole feels like a sledgehammer against your suspension. Worse, your braking distance increases drastically, and the center of your tire goes bald thousands of miles early. The correct pressure is printed on a sticker inside your driver's side door frame. It is usually around 35 psi. Follow that sticker, and your tires will last years longer. That saves your rubber. But the next secret is buried inside your bumper, and it could get you unstuck. Number 3. The hidden bumper hook. You slide off an icy road, and your front tires sink into a snowbank. A truck offers to pull you out. Most drivers will crawl underneath and loop a heavy tow strap around the nearest thick piece of metal. That is a massive mistake. If you hook a strap to your steering tie rods or suspension arms, the extreme pulling force will instantly bend the metal. You can easily cause $3,000 in severe mechanical damage before the car even moves. Look at your front bumper instead. You will find a small plastic cap that blends into the paint. Pop it off. Behind it sits a threaded steel hole welded directly to the chassis. Now check your trunk near the spare tire. You will find a solid metal eye bolt threaded into that hole. You now have a perfectly safe, factory-rated anchor point. That protects your frame. But our next hidden feature is an emergency override for a completely dead vehicle. Number 2. The dead battery shift lock. Picture this. You walk out to your driveway on a freezing morning. Your car battery is completely dead. You call for a flatbed tow truck, but your automatic gear shifter is locked solid in park. The driver says he has to drag your car onto the bed with the wheels locked, which can easily cause $1,000 in transmission damage. Do not let him do it. Every modern automatic transmission has a hidden manual override called the shift lock release. Look closely around your gear shifter console. You will see a small rectangular plastic cover, usually about the size of a fingernail. Sometimes it is hidden under the rubber mat inside a cup holder. Pry that cover off with a flathead screwdriver or your key. Underneath is a small button or slot. Push your key down into that slot and press your brake pedal. This manually bypasses the electronic interlock, allowing you to pull the shifter straight into neutral, even with zero battery power. The tow truck can now roll your car safely without ripping the transmission apart. If you learned something new today, drop a like, because the last one is the one most people completely overlook. Number 1. The check engine illusion. You are driving down the highway. The vehicle feels completely fine, but suddenly that dreaded orange check engine light illuminates on your dashboard. Your stomach drops. You are already picturing a $1,000 repair bill. You take it to the dealership. They hook up their scanner, and they charge you a $200 diagnostic fee before picking up a single tool. Here is the secret they hope you never learn. Modern vehicles run a highly sensitive, completely sealed evaporative emission system. It is designed to trap fuel vapors inside the tank so they do not escape into the air. If there is the slightest drop in vacuum pressure, the computer assumes a vital component failed and triggers the warning. However, the massive leak it detects is almost always just a loose gas cap. If you do not tighten that cap until it clicks at least 3 times, the rubber gasket cannot seal. To fix this, unscrew the cap, click it down tight, and drive normally for 2 days. The system will reset and turn the light off automatically. If the seal is cracked, a new cap is just $15. I have run my current truck for over 380,000 miles. And in all those years, checking that cheap plastic cap first is exactly why I have never paid a single dealership to chase a fake emissions code. Always check the cap first. How many of these hidden features were you already using? Let me know in the comments below. If this video saved you a trip to the mechanic, subscribing to Core Car is worth it. Every video we make is designed to keep more money in your pocket. But before you go, there is one more thing most drivers get completely wrong. Core Car's next video covers the fuel myths quietly costing you at every fill-up. It is right here. Do not miss it.